Sabi niya, don't worry, but you know, I don't want to talk on the phone and nahihirapan ako. That was the exact words that she uttered. So sabi ko, you know, kung gusto mo talaga, we cannot prevent you also. And it's your decision and we'll respect your decision. But you have to talk to Tito. Sabi, yeah, I'll talk to him tomorrow. Sabi niya, I'm just waiting for Mix and Mix is still in Mindanao. So after we talk, yun nga, tinawagan ko si Senate President. Sabi ko, partner, you better talk to Lauren. Hindi, sabi niya may usapan na kami tomorrow morning sa Senate. And then in the afternoon, when that was Monday, when it did not happen, yung media, Senate media was asking me, sabi niya, our info, sir, is that it was Lauren who volunteered to gather signatures from among the majority members. Sabi ko, I think it's not fair because siya yung inoperan. Ang sabi nga raw sa kanya, kahit pa may 30 na, ayaw mo pa rin. So I even gave her the math. Sabi ko, ganito lang mathematics yan, Lauren. Ikaw ang kinukuha nilang number 13 because alam ko na kung sino yung sinasabi nilang 12. May idea na ako. But I didn't tell her anymore.